for a fun Easter craft to do with the kids, look no further than this fun Chickadee Chicken Ornament.
Squeeze Joe Sonja gloss varnish inside the bauble and swirl to cover the entire insides. Let sit upside down on a paper towel to drain the excess varnish. Sprinkle Sullivans pastel yellow glitter inside the bauble. Swirl the bauble until it is fully coated in glitter. Cut the Makr polyfoam ball down the center with a craft knife. Scoop out the centers. Use a craft knife to cut triangles in the foam. Glue the shatter-proof bauble in between the two pieces of polyfoam. Glue the lid of the bauble on top of the ornament. Glue Sullivans paper raffia to the bottom of the ornament. Use the template to cut out beak and feathers from the orange glitter foam paper. Glue the beak and feathers and joggle eyes to the ornament.